Vybz, look for me, Vybz. Vybz.
Wagwan, my people. Bless up and welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know, my people, we there with a hot one. We there with a mad one. A late night one pan the people them. You don't know. God is the greatest. We have to give God thanks for life, my people. And you don't know, my people. You see what go on right here now. It has been fully confirmed. Vybz Kartel got his US visa and is currently in Fort Lauderdale, my people. When you don't see what go on, me have the video them phone, my people, and we are gonna jump in it. You tell me what you think in the comment section, as well as before me jump in the video, my have to take that little time frame here now, my people, and big up my loyal subscribers them. Big up my loyal viewers them will continue to support the channel here. Big up on yourself. Thanks a lot. You don't see what go on the screen. We'll finally get there, my people. 100k subscribers. We're actually over that. But you don't know. A great work. Hard work, my people. You don't know the thing go. My people, wanna think, because there's a lot of speculations about how Vybz Kartel just come out of prison and get back visa and be a sitting. Tell me what you think about that, because you don't know Popcorn they know the thing all long and him been trying, and Popcorn and no criminal. Not saying that Vybz Kartel is, you don't know that me I say, but me just I say Popcorn is no criminal. So how come him not get back film visa? But anyway, we're just glad for no say Vybz Kartel up and active, my people. I'm gonna drop some more clippings and come back, my people, soon forward.
We are coming into the man for. See the two coordinator them, yeah? The two wicked.
One. They don't give me like that, drop my visa. Yes, I did.
What is some of the
I'm out. Spread the word. Top shot as his back. Kiss me, baby.
I kissed him in Miami.
Oh.
I'm the first person in 10 years to kiss him in Miami.
10, you mean 20?
20 years.
One city. Legendary. One city I never do. But this I'm the menu was.
How we now?
Alright, so yes, my people, you can see what go on. Mad thing. You can see Vybz Kartel was well received in Fort Lauderdale. My people, you don't hear see them and say, yo, she had the first girl kiss Vybz Kartel in a Miami after 10 years. And one bag of thing, my people, you don't know the thing said. Yo, my people, you make me know what you think about everything what happened. Vybz Kartel just come out of prison. You don't see what go on. The man are clear miles across the world right now. You understand? A big thing, my people. This, I love it for dancehall. I love it for Vybz Kartel himself, my people. You see what I say? My people are right. You say I gotta jump off and you don't know. I'm gonna stay on the video until it end. But what they below my nose? I'm out. Big up with yourself.
Vybz, look for me, Vybz. Vybz. I'm Vybz Kartel, guys. I'm Fort Lauderdale. Vybz, I'm Fort Lauderdale. Yes. Yes. Right there, so. Born You can see him. Yeah. Right there, sir. Hey. Come on. Right there, sir. Vybz, look.
We are coming into the man, sir. See the two coordinator them, yeah? The two wicked.
One.
Yes, I did.
What is on the menu?
Look for the Vybz. Vybz. Hey, Kartel. A Vybz Kartel, guys. A Fort Lauderdale. Vybz, a Fort Lauderdale. Yes. Yes. Right there, so. Born Kartel, talk to it. Talk to it, Kartel. Talk to it, talk to it. You can see him. Yeah. Right there, sir.